For International Women's Day, I choose to challenge underrepresentation in authority by supporting and encouraging more women in politics. It is important that our Parliament be representative of all in society to ensure legislation and policies are equitable and inclusive. From challenge comes change. Will you choose to challenge?
This International Women's Day, I choose to challenge disability representation. For far too long, it has been too easy for big business and politics to simply ignore us when making decisions for us about us. It is incredibly important that our voice is heard at the table as full, capable individuals in light of the fact that we do have extra needs that need to be met. It is incredibly difficult to stomach that we haven't been able to have our voice heard, and we can change this through positive, progressive action.
For International Women's Day, I choose to challenge the gender imbalance in science, technology, engineering and mathematics, STEM. This is done by inspiring and encouraging young female students. It is vital that women have equal opportunities and experiences in STEM. We need to promote family-friendly STEM workplaces, end the gender pay gap and facilitate women's leadership and participation in the decision-making process in STEM. What do you choose to challenge?
I choose to challenge by ensuring that the significant sporting achievements of women in our county are recognised by the council, our lead civic authority. I'm thinking of some of our great Carlow female athletes such as Molly Scott in athletics and Cleena Nolan in rowing.
I choose to challenge the gender pay gap. Although equal pay has existed as a legislative measure prohibiting discrimination on the grounds of gender for many decades, the pay gap between men and women remains in place and grows wider and wider. The average gender pay gap in the EU is 16.2%. Although many of us think it doesn't exist, it exists in all sectors, between retail, health, education and many, many more. This is something we can take on locally, nationally and internationally by campaigning for a fairer and more equal world. Let's rise to the challenge. Ar scá chéile a bhar na dtíne.